Here I have OPPO Reno8, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the Files application. Then you can transfer like photos, videos, audio, documents, APKs, and also archives. So let's transfer, for example, an image, this one. Then tap Move or Copy. Like, let's copy this image. Then select where you want to copy that, in our case to SD card. Then select folder where you want to copy it. Copy to here. And as you can see, now I have this image on my SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.